Hey everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope you're safe and healthy no matter where you are. I am coming to you with a project share for Beebeecraft, and I will leave their link below, and the products that I'm using I will also leave the link down below. And don't forget to use the discount code that I've got listed in the description to save $5 on 40. I think I'm saying that right, but it'll be correct down below. So let me show you what I created. I created this little charm, dangle, tassel, however you would like to call it, with some beads, eyelash trim, and let me show you this cute little spider there. So let me show you what I used to create this. I got this set, and it is the jewelry making kit, and it's got all of these adorable beads. It comes with all of these different colored beads, and I used these glass pearl beads. They have some beautiful colors, and I got them because these colors reminded me of Halloween. Look at all those you get. There's like tons and tons and tons and tons. So I used those, and this jewelry making kit came with this crystal string that I used. It comes with the black string, and it comes with all of these charms, the trees, the little spacers, these beautiful hearts, there's leaves. So it comes with all of these different charms. And then I use this beautiful tree charm. So that's what comes in that kit. And I also, this lobster clasp, I got this from Beebeecraft a while ago, but you can also get these huge lobster clasps from them. And this little spider charm, I got them from Beebeecraft too. So they have all different kinds of stuff that you can get to make your tassels and charms. What I thought I would do, I thought if I can, I'm not an expert at making charms, excuse me guys, at charms or anything like that, but I thought I would show you just really quickly how I made this one. And I just put like those beads there, and then on the top I used the smaller beads just to hang from the lobster clasps. And this was a piece of ephemera I had that says best witches for a happy Halloween. So let's get started. What I used was I used some of my black and purple eyelash trim, and what I did was the way I just did these, since they're not really thick, I just put the eyelash trim through the bottom of the lobster clasp. Let me show you what the bottom of it look like. They look like this. So you can thread things through there. So since it wasn't so thick, I could do that. Now, I went ahead and got out the beads that I want to do. And like I said, I am no expert at making any kind of charm brace, any kind of that, but I love to just experiment. So I use the smaller of the beads. So I'm going to use this, and I'm just going to thread it through. So there is black. I'm going to do black. Let's do green. Let's do orange. And let's do purple. So that will be what they look like. So let's do another. So we'll have, where is it? Where is it? There's black, green, orange, So we'll put that there too. And then we'll put the black. And then what I want to do is I want to put my charm on the bottom. Sometimes it gets a little bit hard to do little bitty stuff like this when you've got long nails. There we go. All right, so there is that. So I like those colors. I use that charm on this one. So let's use, here's another tree charm. This could be a haunted tree. Look how pretty that is. And I tell you what, these are beautiful too. Look how pretty. Love these charms. So how I did this was I just tied the you can't hardly see it on this background, but all I did was I threaded this. It's called crystal string, maybe, through here. And then I just tied it in a knot. That way it wouldn't come apart. So we're gonna just tie it in a knot, maybe. Maybe I shouldn't have done this tutorial on this one because I am not the one to do this. Something like this, I struggle. All right, so now we're gonna double tie it and triple tie it. There's double, and there's triple. All right, so here is my little dangle, and it's easy to do if your hands work with you. And so what I'll do is I will put this here, that way it'll hang in the middle. And I just kind of think that's kind of neat and different. And let's see here. All right. So I'm gonna cut this string kind of long because you never know, I may want to put something else on there. And I think I do. Let's put, they have, there's a leaf. Let's put a heart because I love Halloween. So let's just add this here, this little heart charm here. If I can get it to go through, there we go. Whoops. Crazy. We'll try that again. And so see, now the heart will hang on the top there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to thread this clear string through the lobster clasp like that. And I'm going to tie this. And I know, now this is just how I did it. This is just how I made this one, just, you know. But I know that there is just so much more easier ways to do this. And then I've got that tied to this right here. And what I'm going to do is to make sure that I'm fighting with it, guys. I'm fighting with it. I'm going to tie my string around the eyelash trim at the bottom of the lobster clasp so they will not come apart. Okay? So what I did was I just took the clear string and just basically, you know, kind of tied a knot around the bottom. That way my eyelash trim would not come out. So I guess I know this is not a very good tutorial, but I just wanted to show you, you know, this is how I made this. So you'll know exactly how I made this. And if you just tie a knot, then the top will be closed, and you know that it will not, your eyelash trim won't come out. So see, there you go. There is how I made my tassel. And you can cut, actually, you know what you could do? All right, you know what you could do? You know what you could do? You could make another little dangle with the rest of this that you've got hanging here. So let's do that. Let's do that with these little ones. Let's start with these big ones here. That's kind of a cool idea. Oh, so there we go. All right, so let's start with, I want to start with an orange. And let's do some little ones. You know what? I think I need to do the smaller ones if we're going to do these small beads. So while I'm threading these, I hope and pray that you guys that are on the Gulf Coast, my goodness, you guys, you have, it has been, you guys have really been hit hard. And so I hope each and every one of you are safe, and that mercy, my goodness. Now these are a little bit harder. I think these would have been easier to do if I had the metal pieces. I think I want, let's do a purple. No, we done purple already. Let's do it black. But I pray for you guys, goodness. And I know Texas, Louisiana, Alabama. Let's see, what other color could we put on here? And this green here. I just pray that you guys are safe. It's just a bad time. Bad time. If I can find a bead here. I don't think this green one is going to work. Let's do, we got purple, copper, black. Let's do a light purple. But this is just basically me just sitting and chatting with you all and just kind of creating a little tassel with you guys. And goodness, I can't, my hands aren't working, guys, I'm sorry. But anyway, you get, rather than boring you guys to death, you get the picture. And all you would have to do is just put your beads on here, tie another charm down on the bottom, and there you go. It would be done. So rather than make you guys suffer through me trying to put these on here. But anyway, that's how I made and done this cute little charm tassel here. So if I haven't completely just confused you to death, and if you got any questions, you can just leave them down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.